Stickers. Why? Why would adult men and women want stickers? Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the spring 2021 Fab Fit Fun, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, first things first, to talk about the elephant in the room. Yes, my makeup is cray-cray. I was kind of put to a challenge, or I took it as such. I did an unboxing video the other day on the latest Trend Mood Volume 10. If you missed that, you can check it out in the eye above. And there was a lovely holographic product that I was told, oh no, at 54 years old, you can pull that off. Well, I'm wearing it today, and it's less about it being super pink and holographic and more about the product not blending very well, being patchy and just looking like a caca. I'm sure on camera it won't look nearly as bad as it does in real life. But anyways, and when I was trying to fix it, I was putting on some eyeliner and then it got out of hand and then I was trying to match it. So my eyeliner is extra really bad today. So, you know, whatever. Life goes on. And so we must continue on with the Fab Fit Fun unboxing. If anyone is new or not quite aware of what Fab Fit Fun is, it is a quarterly or seasonal, every 3 months, lifestyle box. And it's $50 and you get 8 items, and if you pay for an annual membership, you will get to select 5 of the 8 items. Pamphlet time. $15 off your first, what is this? Fab Fit Fun box. All right, well, stickers. Why? Why would adult men and women want stickers? Well, I guess if you have kids, you could give them to them. All right, here is the pamphlet. This will have all of the items and prices and display what you could have selected from. Oh God, there's more pamphlets. All right, what is this? HelloFresh. Of course, I just ordered HelloFresh for the first time yesterday. That would have been lovely. What is this? Daily vitamins. Yay! Okay. Pamphlet time is over. So here's my box. I was wondering, it's very light. Normally it's kind of heavy. And this is kind of a small box. But I think that may mean that I actually am getting more skincare and makeup versus the winter box, which did have like a big, heavy, fluffy throw blanket. Okay, first item. This is from a brand called Saie, SfGlow.com. I'm going to go with Saie. And I'm not sure what it is, so let me try to find it in the pamphlet book from hell that I have a hard time navigating. 1 second. All right, so these are the Saie reusable rounds, and you get a 3-pack, which retails for $15. It says that instead of using makeup wipes, you can use these and help save the environment. All right, great concept. I'm a lazy girl. And so I will probably give them a try, but then I'm going to have to wash them more. I wonder if you can put them in the washing machine or if you have to hand wash them. They are made in China. Fab Fit Fun put that in my box. It is makeup related, so I will give them a point for taking a look at my actual quiz. All right, next item. Don't know what this is, but I saw the name. All right, so this is from Pericone MD. It's the Essential FX Acyl-Glutathione Rejuvenating Moisturizer. Let's focus on those words that I can pronounce. All right, so the Pericone MD retails for $98. She pricey. And it is a rejuvenating moisturizer. And it says that it deeply hydrates the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Yes. All right. On to the next item. What is this? All right, so it says Humankind, and it is a moisturizing hand scrub. It has elderflower and raspberry. Ooh, I love raspberry. Oh, it is safety sealed in the form of there's like plastic around here. I've never used a hand scrub before. Are we supposed to be exfoliating our hands? All right, let's see what the little pamphlet has to say. All right, the Humankind hand scrub is another one of the Fab Fit Fun picks, and it retails for $15. It says, take extra care of your hands with the scrub that gently removes dead skin cells while leaving the hand oh so soft. All right, well, I love a good soft hand. And once again, this falls into the makeup and skincare category. Good job, Fab Fit Fun. All right, next item. Ooh, when something in a box on the outside has bubble wrap, that usually means it's pricey and or breakable. And breakable usually means pricey. What is this that is so fancy it needs bubble wrap? This is from Pure, and it is the Iconic Glow. Ooh, what is that? A highlighter or something you put on underneath foundation to give yourself glowy skin? Yes, I'm going to assume because, she's shiny and glowy. We got a nice little pump. Do we have a pump? Or a dropper with a push. A dropper with a push. Let's see what this looks like. All right. Ooh, she's shiny. It feels very, I don't want to say greasy, but it feels more like a light oil than silicone, as I was expecting. But it goes into the skin nicely. Do we see a difference? Oh, what is that scent? It reminds me of, has anyone ever known somebody who has like a boat or a boathouse? Like when you go on the boat that's been sitting in the at the dock for like since last summer, and then the seat cushions kind of have that musty smell. That's what this reminds me of. Oh my god, that's horrible. But that's what it smells like. Okay, let's see how much this product costs. All right, the Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. I was correct. It is an oil. Retails for $28. And it says, apply this antioxidant-rich oil to your face and body for a radiant shimmer. All right, on to the next item. Oh, I actually already own this product. This here is Verso Super Eye Serum with retinol. I will list on the screen which box I received this in. It's either the box by Fashion Stuff. No, I'm not even going to guess because I'm going to be wrong. Okay, so the Verso Skincare Super Eye Serum retails for $65. Dang. It is an eye serum or eye cream, and it is 20 milliliters. So for an eye product, that's pretty large. It says that it energizes tired skin around the eyes and targets signs of aging with retinol. Alright, so here's the one I own. Here's the one I got from Fab Fit Fun. I will show you what I like about it is it has a small little place where the product comes out, which allows you to do targeted, just the smallest amount is all you really need for under your eye. and it's quite lovely. It's a lightweight cream, and it sinks into the skin really well. All right, on to the next item. Ooh, what is this? I see makeup brushes all over this. This is from BDB, Billion Dollar Brushes, and it's the Pro Brush Essentials Kit. What? I don't remember. Did I select this? Ooh, there are brushes. Oh my god. There are a lot of brushes in this very small box. Oh, they have very short handles. That's why. Alright, so it looks like we get 6 brushes. Very soft, not very dense. That might be good if you have a product that's like super strong pigmented and you don't want to, you know, get too much. A brush like this that's pretty, I don't want to say flimsy, but not packed tight with bristles, that might be good for getting like a lighter hand. Okay, let's see what the pamphlet has to say. All right, so the Billion Dollar Brows 6-piece Pro Brush Essential Kit retails for $62. Yowza. Wow, really? $10 per brush? I think that's a little overpriced, particularly since it almost seems like a travel set because they aren't very long. But, okay. Comment down below if you have ever owned or used a brush from Billion Dollar Brows. All right, on to the next item. All right, this is from SF Suns Out, Pouts Out. It's a 4-piece gold foil lip masks. I know I didn't select this. Let's see what the Fab Fit Fun pamphlet has to say. Okay, so the SfGlow Suns Out, Pouts Out lip mask retails for $16, and as suspected, Fab Fit Fun decided I would enjoy such a thing. But to be fair, it does fall into the category of skincare and makeup. I am not one to even use a regular face mask, let alone a mask only for your lips. Comment down below if anyone can attest to these are fantastic. Honestly, I will use a lip scrub if I have issues with my lips more than, I mean, I'm lazy enough where I don't like sitting with a mask. Can you imagine something on your lips? Couldn't talk or drink water for, I don't know, 20 minutes? My husband would appreciate that. Yeah. Okay, on to the next item. What is this? Oh, I did select this, and it is way smaller than I was anticipating. Also, again, the selection items weren't that fantastical, or I wasn't enjoying them, so I went with this. This is from Sorbus, and it is a Cosmetic Organizer case. And can I just point out that if you look at the picture, doesn't it seem like it would be much larger than it actually is? I thought it was going to be, yeah, substantially larger. Let me take it out of the box. Okay. I don't even think I could get like more than 2 brushes per little box. Maybe back here. I will use it, but how much do they say this costs? I've bought some of these similar things on Amazon, so let's see what they say. They are claiming this is $30. I'm going to list on the screen, show a picture of ones I've actually purchased before from Amazon that they're much larger and can hold many more items. Let's recap what we got in the spring 2021 Fab Fit Fun. So from Pure, we got an all-over body glow dry oil. We got the world's smallest acrylic makeup organizer. We got an, in my opinion, overpriced 6-piece brush set. We got a lovely eye cream. The star, in my opinion, is this Pericone MD Moisturizer, an exfoliating hand cream, a 3-pack of reusable beauty rounds, and some lip masks. I'm not gonna lie, this will be, let's see, I did summer, fall, winter. This will be my official 4th Fab Fit Fun season, and so far it's the worst. Go ahead, leave the hate comments. Honestly, it has to do with quality and what they're saying. This is way smaller than advertised, way cheaper, and had I known, I would have picked something else. This is really good, this eye cream. This Pericone MD moisturizer, very good. Those in and of themselves pay for the box, so that's fine. But this, what FabFitFun picked for me, these lip masks, no. These reusable spongy things, they're okay. This is okay. I'm not a big go to the beach. You know, if I was like 25 and had a smoking hot body, this would be fantastic. I'd rub it on my legs, but I'm old, I'm fat, ain't gonna happen. I will try it on my face though, and we'll see what kind of a glow I get. I wish this was a hand cream and not an exfoliator, but I will give it a try. These brushes are way overpriced and seem cheap and chintzy to me. The handles are very short as well. But I would love your feedback. What did you get in your box? I'm kind of hindsight, like, wish I'd made different selections. There we go. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of everything. This wasn't okay, but I mean, did I get my $50 worth? Yes. Mainly with 2 products. Is it, of the 4 boxes I've received, it's the worst. There, I'm going to put that out there. Winter box was good. Summer, the first box I ever got was, oh my god, mind-blowing. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, please click the like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification. All right. Thanks, everyone.